Hey guys, Greg and Junior today. It's snowing out. As you can see, it's actually some pretty big snow. It looks bigger than it does on the camera. Believe me, it's coming down big. As you can see how big it is when it comes down. Now I'm already covered in snow. Come down here and check my camp. It's definitely dry in here. There's no snow down. A little bit of snow coming down. As you can see, where it stops. The shell's getting wet. Well, but it's coming down hard. As you can see, it's exactly like 32 degrees out. Perfect snow weather. Definitely raining, starting to lay right here. They're calling for a little bit of snow today. But later on in the week, they're calling for a foot of snow up here in West Virginia. Yes, I gotta reinforce this or it's gonna cave in. That's more snow than I got last time. Last time we got like 5 inches. And this thing collapsed in. A foot of snow, this thing definitely collapsing. So I definitely gotta get some work done to it. I might even put like sticks right here, like another pole here, so the snow just falls right off. Cause if not, this whole side came back in, and this side. I mean, or I'll take some of these boards and put there. But yep, I just want to show you all the snow. As you can see, the ground's already covered now. Why it just came in. Yep, so God bless y'all. Try to stay warm. Let me know if it's snowing down your way.